Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. I am Ashwini and today we'll see one new DAX function in Power BI, values. Okay, so values DAX function is so important in real-time scenarios. So watch this video till the end. I will explain whole things about values DAX function. Okay, let's understand the syntax and the use of this values function, and then we'll see one scenario in Power BI. Okay, values function, what it does is when we give the input parameter is a column name, it returns one column table that contains the distinct values from the specified column. And if the duplicate values are present in the same column, it will remove whole all duplicate values and give us the only unique values. Okay, and then if there is any blank values are present in the same column, then it can be add the blank value also. When the input parameter is a table name, it returns the rows from the specified table. It will remove the duplicate rows and gives the unique rows, and a blank value can be added in the table and column also. Okay. The syntax is like values we can write in the values function table name or column name, whatever we want to duplicate. So in which scenario we can use the values function is if we have one table and the requirement is like if we want the copy of same table but by the different name for different calculation. Okay, so in this case we can just write the values function, give the table name, and we can create the same copy of that same table. Okay, so in this way we can create the copy of the table and the copy of the same column in the another table by using the values function. Okay, so we'll see it in Power BI how to create the same. So we have this orders table present, and in this orders table there are so many columns like row ID, order date, ship mode, customer ID, customer name, segment, country, city, state. Okay, so this data is based on the US wholesale retailer. So this is about the retail analytic domain. This data showing the transactions made in one store of US. So there the customer name, which customer is taking which product, and the cost of that product, sales, profit, and the discount. Okay, so you can see there are the whole columns are present. Okay, so if the requirement of our client is like if they want to see the unique customer names, like how many unique customers are taking our products. Okay, so in this case you can just use the values function. For example, I have created it for the product name. Okay, so I want the unique product, like the customer wants to see the unique product what they are selling. So in that case we can just use the values function, and in that values function we can pass the column name. Product name is the column and this is the table. Okay, so we'll see how to create it in DAX. So currently we have this orders table and we want to see the customer name, unique customer name. Okay, so then we can just create the new table by clicking on this new table option in table tools. Then we can just write the table name. In values DAX function we can just write the, we can just pass that column name, customer name. Okay, so it will give us the unique customers, whatever customers are taking the products. Okay, so we can show the customer like this is your unique customers who are buying the products. Okay, so this is one use of values function. And if we have to duplicate, so we have to do some calculation on the main table, and if we want to do the other calculation like pivoting, unpivoting of the rows and columns, so in that case we just need one another copy of the same table. So how we can create the copy the same by using the values function. I just need to create one table. In the table we just need to give the table name, copy of orders we can give there. We just need to write the values function and pass the main table name. Okay, so orders is our table name. Click on the enter and we will get the same tables copy by other name. Okay, so copy of orders. So we can do the other calculation by using this data. Okay, so one there is one other use of values function also. So if we want to create one bridge table between the two tables, for like if we have the two tables and we need to connect that two tables by many to one relationship, not many to many. So in this case if we have the same like now we have the orders table and we have the copy of orders table. So in these two tables we have the reason common. Okay, so by using this reason we just need to create the relation. So if we will create relation between these two tables, then it will be many to many. So this is our orders main table, and the copy of orders is the table we have created. Okay, so if we have to connect these two tables, and we have connected by using the reasons, a reason column in the both tables, so it will give us the many to many relationship. Okay, so in that case it will give us the many to many, but we want the one to many relationship. So for the same, we just need to create one table like this. So we can just get the reason column in another table like this. So we will get the unique regions in the different table, and we can use this table as a bridge table for creating many to one and one to many relation. Okay, so then we can just do the relation like reason and reason, so it will give us the many to one, and by using this also we can create the many to one relationship. So in this case, this is our bridge table. So in this way we can just remove the many to many relationships and add the many to one. So in real time scenarios, we have to always prefer the many to one relationship or one to many relationship in real time projects. Okay, so in this way, this values DAX function will work, and you can create many calculations by using this function. So you can use it in the calculate function also, and it is very important in real time scenarios. Okay, so like values function, there are so many DAX functions. So if you want to learn these all DAX functions, then please don't miss to press the bell icon and subscribe my channel, so that you can receive the notification of my upcoming videos, and you will learn all DAX functions. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this video. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you.